it's turkey season and you just got yourself a turkey. What are you gonna do with it? Well, we're gonna go ahead and make some turkey nuggets today. It's gonna be super easy. I'm gonna make it so easy that anyone can do it, including Ralph. So let's go over the ingredient list first of what you're gonna need for that wild turkey. First of all, we took our wild turkey, we went ahead and cut it up in nugget size, and we had it marinating overnight in the Traeger fin and feather rub. We're also gonna want 4 eggs, a 3/4 cup of milk, some salt, some pepper, an entire package of Italian panko seasoning, and some flour. Since we already have our turkey already cut up and it had been marinating overnight in that fin and feather rub from Traeger, now we're gonna go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. We're gonna first take the panko and we're gonna pour it into the bowl with the flour. Then we're gonna take the pepper and do the same thing. And lastly, we're gonna add some salt. The salt is really up to you. I didn't put any measurements for the salt and the pepper. It depends on how you like it flavored. I'm kind of a salt freak, it's me, but I know that I can't put that much in because the rest of the family's gonna kill me. Okay, so now we have our dry ingredients together. We're gonna move on to the wet ingredients. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and crack our eggs and add the milk. Go ahead and whisk it up. And what we're doing this for is we're gonna take the turkey meat that's been marinating, put it into the egg and milk mixture before we go ahead and put it into our dry ingredients. What it's gonna do is it's gonna coat the turkey nuggets and it's gonna make those dry ingredients stick to it better for our deep frying and our air fryer. So here we are, we have a hot pan of oil. Be safe, please. What you're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in right into the oil slowly so it doesn't splatter all over us, and cause any harm. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and cook this turkey because all poultry needs to be cooked to about 165 degrees or higher so you don't get yourself sick with it. So let's do this. Okay, and here are the beginnings of our deep fried turkey on the stove. And we'll just double check the temperature again. Okay, we're already at 181, so it doesn't take long. Once you put them in that hot oil, they're gonna cook, stir them around a little bit. The ones that start floating up, you're gonna find out they're basically already cooked. So we have that going on there. I'm gonna take my little pan back out. Okay, they're deep fried. We're gonna do the air fryer next, but look at this, little honey mustard on there. Wow. We need to do this more often. That's delicious. So we did the deep fry one. Now we're gonna do the same steps for the air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and take the turkey that's been marinating, put it into the milk and the eggs, dip it into the flour panko and the salt and pepper, and we're gonna put it into the air fryer and see how that one turns out. It's gonna be delicious, I know. All right. Oh, there we go. Look at that. We got them in the air fryer and we've got them deep fried on the stove. So we'll put these on a plate and we'll see which ones the guys like better. And again, always check, make sure. You don't have to check them all, but make sure the bigger pieces are 165 degrees or higher. Okay, deep fried or air fried? Hey guys, wanna come tell me which one you like better?
Okay, which one's what?
Which one's what?
Air fryer, I'm guessing?
I'm not shy. It's hot.
It is hot.
I believe that.
Okay.
The deep fried one is better by like 100.
Oh yeah.
By 100?
Yeah.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the turkey nugget fest we're having on over here. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it so other people can go ahead and indulge in turkey nuggets. See you next time.